Brothers and sisters, good morning. Good morning, every Adolite. I will speak broken in this case. I beg anybody that is watching me, please don't forget to share this video. Share it to the extent to the Inspector General of Police. Share it to the extent of Brigade Commander. Share it to the extent of CP. Share it to the extent to AIG. Share it to the extent the Edo State government. My brothers and sisters, as you know, my name remains Comrade Tony Kabaka. Anytime you see me in video like this, you know there's something important and there's something happening that this man wants to talk about. A few days ago, in our community, as I speak to you, in every community in Edo State, most community, not all, they are using federal government property as a toy. All community are using AK-47 in Benin, and people are dying in various communities every day. Now they will say Boko Haram, Boko Haram. But Boko Haram is not in Edo State. I've never witnessed a scene of Boko Haram. If anybody have witnessed a scene of Boko Haram in Edo State, let them come out and point out. The only thing they capitalize on is Fulani S-men. Anything happen, they will say Fulani S-men. I will tell you vividly, if community is not in collabo with Fulani S-men, nothing will happen as a crime in Edo State. And I have never seen Fulani S-men on attack if community is not involved. I want to draw the attention of the Inspector General of Police to please, and the police IGP team that is in Edo State, they are working very effective, but the problem we are having, the most lawyers don't allow them to do their job. As I speak to you, day before yesterday and 4 days ago and yesterday, people have been dying in my community called Obage Newosa and Obayanto community. What happened, according to information that I got from the reliable source, is my community. I've never go there one day. I've never even go there one day to say I want to buy 50 by 100 or I need 50 by 100. I don't do that. But when things is getting out of hand, you need to tell the public. The entire elders of Obayanto, about 22 of them, wrote a petition, strong petition, against their own son, that is Okagele of Obayanto, called Ajala. Ajala was arrested, and the video is here all over everywhere. Ajala was arrested when he was parading himself with AK-47. Police arrested him. IGP monitoring team that is in Edo State. A lawyer came out and solicited for them. After small time, they were arrested, they were released. Police now said they need the gun, the AK-47 that they are using. A lawyer now took this AK-47 to police, according to the information I got from police. Now, I want to ask, we don't have crisis in Benin. Is it not ideal that AK-47 will not be used as a barrel? AK-47 is not rampant in Benin. And I'm using this medium to tell IGP, my name remains Comrade Tony Kabaka. If you want me to point out the community that is using AK-47, my community is among one of our brother, my own senior brother that called Ekenaye, all of them are using AK-47. Ajala in Obayanto, he had more than 6 AK-47. Different communities that I will mention. If IGP wants peace to be emerge in Benin, I need IGP team. I want this video to go to Inspector General of Police. I did not hide my face. I came out to say this because I'm not happy the way people are dying in Benin. It's not one community, it's not two communities. But I need to emphasize on where I come from and where most my brothers is involved in AK-47. Ekenaye is from Obagi Rewosa. Then Ajala and one actor, the mother of actor that is using AK-47 to be, as I speak to you now, actor, they've killed actor brother. The mother gave birth to 2 of them. One is dead today. One died 4 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, or 6 days ago, because of no community fracas, no boundary disputes. This one, he said you are a year. This one said it's smart fight. I don't know what happened between both of them. One now went from other community. Obayanto now went. Obagi now went to Obayanto to adopt person from Obayanto. They beat him. They torture him at their confront way. Then Obayanto now said, wow, why will Obagi come to our village to come and adopt somebody? They are trying us. Obayanto now mobilize people to Obagi Rewosa. With AK-47, Ajala was among, Actor was among. They now went to where Ekenaye, the Obagi, what do they call them? Obagi Rewosa, Okagele. They now went there. They now started shooting sporadically. People collect sustained injury. They now left. Obagi now mobilized with AK-47 to Obayanto and kill 2 people. As I speak, the cause is with homicide in State CID. The homicide, they are doing their work perfectly, but these people cannot be seen. They will change their phone, they will buy SIM, they will be calling with different number. Your police cannot even track them. You know why I'm saying this? These people are not ghosts. We can lay hands on them. And we don't have crisis in Benin that AK-47 will not be rampant in Benin. If the IGP team come to Benin, I will mention more communities that is using AK-47. What are we killing ourselves for? The land that you will die and live. The major thing that pay me so much, our brothers and sisters in diaspora, they will wake up 4 o'clock inside the cold, inside the snow. They will go and look for money. They will gather their salary after paying their bills and paying their tax. They will gather money for 10 years, 5 years. They will buy a land in Benin and say, let me start developing so that I can have a house. They will frustrate their efforts. They will take that land from them. They will sell it to another person. A lot of things. That is not the bone of contention. The bone of contention is the IGP monitoring team. They are ready to work. I want to use this opportunity to beg some of our lawyers that benefit from these communities after doing case for them. You people are not helping the issue. If somebody is caught with harm, he should face the music. I'm begging the IGP, Inspector General of Police, the CP Edo State, the brigade commander, and I want to emphasize where these things are happening, there's a soldiers checking point. And all these soldiers, they know all these things that I'm talking now. They may deny, but I am telling you that the soldiers checking point knows all the people that is using AK-47 in these two communities that I mentioned. As I speak to you, so yesterday again, they went again and shoot sporadically. Young girls were injured, children were injured. How long can we continue like this? Which atmosphere are we living on? What is happening in those states? I asked the police, I say, if AK-47 is now free giving to all community, we a plate number that live in life of alcohol and drugs are parading themselves with AK-47, killing people every day. As I speak with you, 2 cops are with police in homicide. They are doing their investigation. But lawyer will not allow them to do their investigation perfectly. This is very bad and sad. If you are a lawyer, you are representing these 2 communities. My mother is from Obage Newota. If you are a lawyer that is representing my community, Obage Newota, you also have a right to call your clients that this killing is too much. I'm calling on the CP now and the Inspector General of Police, please. If I use this word like this, we need a rescue. And I'm here to tell you that I will give more names of the communities that is using AK-47. Let them recover this gun from them. People are dying. People don't longer go to farm. They will, after they do all these atrocities, they will say S-men. S-men is not in our community. S-men, they are busy doing their business. And most S-men that you see here, the people they call S-men, are the Fulani that is going with cows. And this most cows is owned by indigenous of Benin, dignities of Benin. The Fulani in Kaduna does not have a cow here. Most of our big men have cow, they employ Fulanis. Fulani don't have problem with us in Benin. The problem we are having in Benin is community. Every day, gun running. If it is barrel or pump action, we look it abnormal. Community will go and look for money. They will buy AK-47, 2.5. Everything I'm saying now, I'm so surprised that the military are not working perfectly in that community. Sorry to use this word. My father served in brigade command. My father retired as a soldier. My father is 63 MEA. All these things were not happening during their time. AK-47 is not rampant. Inspector General of Police, I beg you, Baba. You have a good name. People should not come and spoil your name. You have the IGP monitoring team here. They don't allow them to do their work. People will be narrating them. People will buy some with money. Now, police don't do their work, because if police invade community and they recover this thing or they lay hands on some of them, they will give out land. Police will say, we don't need land. Go and bring money. They will sell the land and give money. I'm here saying this. Inspector General of Police, if you want more proof, Tony Kabaka is my name. I reside here in Benin. I grew up here, I school here, my primary school and secondary school. Although I school in North, I went to primary school in the North, but I went to secondary school in Benin. I grew up here. I want to beg you, sir, use your good office to ginger the IGP monitoring team to work effectively. If any lawyer, you know that this is a case of gun running, a lawyer came out and solicit for them, please, the lawyer should be detained. Sorry, I'm using this. I know everybody needs lawyer, but in the case of people using gun to be killing each other, all in the name of land, scaring people that bought land, all in the name of land, is getting too much. And we have security agency. As I speak with you, Obayanto communities, elders of Obayanto, wrote a petition against their own son that the gun running in their community. When they came to report to me, as I'm talking to you, I advised them. They said they will write a petition, nothing will happen. So I said, okay, you go and write a petition and bring it to me. They did. 22 of them signed. I took the petition to CP with my hand and leg. CP minute it and give it to some group of police to handle it. The police are working, but this is not the way police normally work. This is not the way police normally work. Money cannot just buy us and we will not do the needful. As I speak with you, there's a soldier checking point. But we see young boys parading themselves with AK-47. Nothing is done. I mentioned my own brother's name, Ekenaye, I'm sorry to say. And I mentioned Ajala. And I mentioned Actor. Actor brother was killed, not of recent. The mother, I think they said the mother gave birth to 2 of them. 1 were killed. As I talk to you, as I speak with you, Actor is shooting anybody that Actor say Actor want to kill because his brother had been killed. And they were the same people that mobilized themselves to Obage Newosa. Obage Newosa now mobilized again. What are we fighting for? What is all this for? This is not a boundary dispute. They are not fighting for boundary dispute. This is just say, you say this, you say that, just like that. And the 2 confront that is fighting as I speak with you is Mafite and Eye that caused this problem now as I speak. Do you know the elders of Mafite and Eye, not that they like this crisis that these people are formulating, but they are not in charge of their community. These people they are in charge of their community. They control their community. It's only security agents that can put them to order. I'm begging. I still beg the state governor and the Edo state government to please do the needful. We said we are protecting life and property. I have not seen it in any angle. So I beg again, I call on IGP squad. Come and meet me and I will give you the names of the community. Go to the community. Which community? They mention one community. They just keep 4 people now. In which community that Agbe is from? Retired DPO Agbe. What's the name of the community? You know the community? Do you know the community?
No.
Yeah, in one community, they just keep 4 people again with AK-47. I'm not doing this video because of anything. I'm doing it because people they are scared of the people are dying. People are dying, please. Please. We can help ourselves, but nobody has monopoly of violence. That is why we have security agency. And the vigilante, they are trying, but they cannot do it all. They need a police force, soldier force that will do this thing, please. And I want the brigade commander to call on the soldier that is posted in Obayanto and Obagenerosa. Ask them question. What is happening there? Who are these gun Are they above the law? They should ask them. They should pick them so that the community will be peaceful. It's not only one community, but if I are being called, I will mention a lot of community that is using AK-47. I don't want to be long in this video. And brothers and sisters, please don't look at the way I talk or the way I use this word. It's the way it is in my mind. People are dying every day. This is no longer confront fight. This is community. Please, IGP, I beg you in the name of God, the power that God gave to you, use it on the door. Come and pick people. Come and sanitize those days, please.